these are 3 USCIS Trump policy that will result in delay and deny in your immigration case. Don't forget to follow this page. Obviously, we are on YouTube on Coloco Immigration. Now, let's start about this. During the first term of the Trump administration, these are the policies that were actually in place that resulted in cases being denied and delayed. It is more likely that he will be back because what we see with the executive order, we know that it's probably more likely that we will be back to those old policies. Now, the first one is obviously what was called during the first term the end of the deference. The deference rule is actually a deference where if you already have a case that has been approved, normally USCIS, the State Department, they will actually, defer to the previous decision in the case. And it is more likely that if you have your case, your visa approved, your application approved, then it is more likely that it goes along, then it will just be approved as well. But under the first term, that was actually not the case anymore. There were instructions to reopen and to start working on each case as if it was new. Now, the thing that will happen is that once that will happen is basically they will end up also number 2 with an automatic request for interview. If you can see in the past few years, there was not as many interviews for most cases. For example, adjustment of status for those of you who are married or either in visa interview, meaning obviously, in order to streamline the application process. But now it's more likely that everything will be back on the table. The administration already mentioned the one voice for US consulate and obviously embassy as well. And finally, number 3, what we can see is the denial. For all of you, when you submit your application, it is very important to understand that there were instructions actually on the first term where the USCIS agent was instructed to look actually for error, meaning that if you actually made an error in your application or you may be omitted to complete the application, then there will be an automatic denial and an automatic NTA, meaning that you could, even though you did not commit any crime, you pay your taxes, everything was fine, you could find yourself in actually deportation proceedings. The idea, you have to remember that the policy is basically very aggressive and you have to be prepared, but this is what we can see coming our way. But make sure that you follow this page for more information on immigration news and update. Bye.